Hi guys, it's Tony again. Today I'm showing you a product by STIHL. This is the brush knife. Okay, there's some instructions how to fit it. Unfortunately, this will not fit my old STIHL SF75 or 85 it is. So, but I thought I'll show you what it looks like anyway. Now, I actually cut myself on this thing because it's incredibly sharp. Just this area here. Anyway, this is what it looks like. I'm going to have to take this back to Charles Turner's. I actually got the fittings for it as well, which I'll show you as well. So what you'll need is, I no doubt you guys probably have a more modern version, but you'll need that. You'll also need that, which is a locking nut. And also another nut, which is that one. Alright, now the whole bill came to £36. £36.98. It's not cheap. I'll show you anyway before I take it back. It's an excellent bit of kit. It's maximum of 1,105, so it's nearly 12,000 RPM, so I'll go through pretty much anything. It'll take practically a tree down. That's what you want if you're taking down big docks, thistles, weeds, tough stuff like that, brambles, anything like that. This is what you want, because the 2.4mm string wire or the cord just keeps snapping and it's uneconomical. Sometimes it's better to load one of these on, especially if you're doing a big area. I've also actually edged with this before. You could keep this on your STIHL strimmer all the time. I prefer it over cord, but as I say, I'm having problems with the with fitting it. But I'll show you it. That's what it comes at. That's just a box, nothing fancy. I think they do this in a 4-bladed variety. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Have a top time out there with the garden. I find gardening a bit of a chore now, to be honest with you. It is a chore. So anything that can make my life easier in the garden is well accepted. Catch you later. Bye for now.